हेलो फैम, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फ्रॉम अंजना ब्रांजिंग गीक। आप सबको नए साल की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। लास्ट ईयर वाज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट ईयर फॉर मैनी, लॉट ऑफ जॉब कट्स, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, a little new space for everyone, more different habits, a lot of sanitizing and a lot of mask happened. Year 2021, I hope it is end of all what started in 2020. We are free from any kind of viruses or diseases, and we start living a more of a healthier life. At least we can breathe easily without being a mask a barrier. And I never thought कि in India I would ever see this phase of wearing mask. But I just hope and pray that 2021 would be more better and beneficial to many. I know a lot of you would have gone through a lot of difficult times last year. Some of you would have lost your loved ones, and that loss cannot be fulfilled by anything. And I totally understand, because in my life I have lost someone very close to me. But keeping all that behind, we need to move forward. And to succeed and to progress in our life, we have to see the endless possibilities we have. You may feel that I just lost this job, what else can I do? Or I don't have enough money, how will I survive? But during lockdown in 2020, we did every possible thing. I would not talk about my own self, but in general, people around me lost their jobs, but they were still eating food, but they still had a shelter. And that time I realized the very important thing to survive in this world, apart from every other luxury we enjoy, is food, shelter, water. This is very important. And seeing the past, and I still give this education to the helpers who work for me or around me, that you just have to save that little just to feed yourself and to have a shelter above you. If you already have one, how would you manage that? So keeping the past incidents, we have to be ready in the future also if something happens, something like this happens again. So have a little saving, and that saving should be enough to feed you and your family, and maybe feed someone else also. But you have to save. If you haven't started saving, this is the time you start saving something, at least a little bit. That saving will help you in future. And I just hope and I just wish and I pray that coming years would be free from all this COVID and a lot of other diseases, and we'll have a more of a healthy air to breathe in. And I just miss seeing kids without masks. I am a mother of a child 2.5 years old, and I wonder, I have never seen this life wearing mask. Like, if he has to go out, he has to wear a mask. This is something which I don't want to see, and this is only one thing which I don't want to see. I think when this I will not see, that means we are going to be staying in a healthy environment. And the only request, or I could ask everyone to do, is wear a mask. I know it sounds little mask तो सभी पहन रहे हैं, सब बोलते हैं मास्क पहनो, सैनिटाइज करो. But when you wear a mask and you don't want to wear a mask, then ask this question to yourself, or just say this thing to yourself: by wearing a mask, you are safeguarding your own family members. Forget about people who are staying outside or your neighbors. It's only your family members. I think then you will start understanding why you have to be wearing a mask when you are out or in social gathering. But avoid as much as you can the social gatherings, and stay home, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy new year to all of you from Anjana again. And I just wish to see you all happy in your own respective lives. Anything you have in mind you want to talk and you feel that I'm that person, you can leave a comment down below, or you can just personally DM me. You don't have to leave a comment, you just personally DM me. I'm here to hear. So I will be here soon with some interesting videos on my channel, and if you are watching me for the first time, it's Anjana here. My channel name is Bronzing Geek. I make videos on makeup, sometime lifestyle. It's not exactly completely lifestyle, but definitely hauls, makeup, skincare, and much more. So hang on there. Don't leave without subscribing and following me on my Instagram @Bronzing Geek. I will see you in my next one.